Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, let's learn some fruits in Spanish. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Piña, piña. Pineapple. Manzana, manzana. Apple. Cereza, cereza. Cherry. Naranja, naranja. Orange. Ciruela, ciruela. Plum. Sandía, sandía. Watermelon. Banana, banana. Banana. Albaricoque, albaricoque. Apricot. Fresa, fresa. Strawberry. Kiwi, kiwi. Kiwi. Uva, uva. Grape. Mango, mango. Mango. Aguacate, aguacate. Avocado. Coco, coco. Coconut. Arándano, arándano. Blueberry. Melocotón, melocotón. Peach. Pera, pera. Pear. Toronja, toronja. Grapefruit. Mandarina, mandarina. Mandarin. Limón, limón. Lemon. Great job! Practice these words every day to improve your Spanish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning. See you in the next lesson.